Halloween is upon us. Are you looking for some inspiration for what to do this year? Something that's both mystical yet compact and doesn't take up too much space? Meet the Pumpkin Prince. He's the perfect size to fit on any dinner table. It's relatively easy to make, cheap, but most importantly, he will transport you straight into Halloween Town. What you'll need: a small Hokkaido pumpkin, a precision knife or scalpel, a Sharpie, a cutter, a spoon, Vaseline, disinfectant spray. Let's get started. Wash the pumpkin, cut the lid with the cutter at an angle, scoop out the pulp, draw the face you can use to assemble it here, sinister eyes, angry eyebrows, and a menacing grin. Then carefully carve the design with the scalpel, spray with disinfectant, and coat the inside with Vaseline. Finally place a candle inside and let him watch over your Halloween festivities. He's sure to steal the show. For more fun, like and subscribe to Apollo's Diner. Stay crafty, stay spooky, and have a wickedly wonderful Halloween.